Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we'll test how to get the latest working scripts for your Rivals game, for your Roblox and skin changers and everything for free, guys. So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. Search down below for browse scripts and then click on Rivals. So it should load up like this, guys, and then we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So I will just enter my username, or of course your username, click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should get this confirmation. So if it's you, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. Very successfully connected. And now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use this script. So guys, if you already have Delta Executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. Now we'll import Delta Executor on one click. So I will just click there and you will get option for these scripts, guys. So there we go. We got option for selecting our scripts and then click there, guys. Select your scripts they want to get. I will select these four and just click continue. You can also, guys, search for them on Google and see what they do, like what features they have, you know. So let's wait for this loading screen, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's see what we'll get next. There we go. API is connected, our four scripts selected already, and our activation key is there as well. So now, guys, we will have to click I'm not a robot because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we will get. So nice, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Rival scripts are important to your account. Look at this, guys. Wow, let's open our Roblox right now and let's see is it actually working. So guys, let's open our Rivals and let's click play. So we just make sure that we will actually get these scripts. Let's rotate my phone and look at this, guys. We got already imported this Delta. Look at this, guys. We already received our Delta. And let's check up for the scripts, guys. There we go. Overflow, Force Shot, Nullzen, and Nikius. We got all scripts that we selected, actually. Let's start a game, guys, and then we will activate our script, and then we will try to change skins, we will try to aimbot, and we will try things like that. So I'm so excited, guys, because we actually got this, and we will just test now. Is it actually working, guys? As you can see, it's searching for the game. So I hope it will be found real quick because we want to test it, right? And we will see finally is it actually working. So let's see what we will get after this. Still waiting for there we go. We're teleporting, and guys, now we will open our script and we will see is it actually working, right? So let's open Nullzen, for example. I will click execute and look at this, guys. It loads up perfectly. Look at this, guys. We got silent aim. We got wall check. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We got all these amazing features. Let me check up. And yeah, we got our script. It works amazing. Look at this, guys. We got it for free. Absolutely. You can also enable aim, guys. Look at this guy. I don't know how to play this, but it works amazing, guys. We have ESP as well. Yeah, it's locking him. Nice. Nice, guys. I cannot believe that it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, this Forge, bloxforge.com website worked so far, guys. You can also go to settings and change skins. You have gun mods, open gun mods, guys, and you will also have skin changer. You can have literally all skins you want. So guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.